We use wooden boxes to ensure the machine will not be damaged during transportation. When you receive the machine, be sure to take photos and videos to confirm whether the packaging is intact. We provide all kinds of accessories for you. This machine weighs 150 kilograms with compact design and powerful performance. 3 ports here, for wire feeder, ground clamp, gas. First, connect the power cable to the wire feeder, link the wire feeder to the welding machine. Next, connect the ground wire protection clamp to ensure safe operation of the equipment. The chiller requires the use of purified water or coolant, within the green marked area for optimal performance. The next step is to connect auxiliary gas, nitrogen or argon, and set flow rate to 15 to 20 liters per minute. There are 3 wires to connect: ground wire, live wire, null wire. The correct sequence is important. Firstly, turn on the main power switch, then turn the system switch. The third step is to install the wire feeder. First, install the wire feeding tube. Insert the thicker end of the wire feeding tube into the wire feeder, and tighten the screws to fix it. Install the wire feed disc and secure it to prevent it from falling off. Select the wire feed roll with the corresponding wire width. Pass the wire through the wire feeder wheel, send the wire to the other end of the outlet, and then fix it. Fix the pressure wheel. Use manual wire feeding function. Then install the wire feeding components, wire feeding nozzle in order. Adjust the gun head position so that it is stuck at the 0 scale. Fix the wire feed tube so that the welding wire is stuck in the groove below the nozzle. Cut off the excess welding wire, leaving 2 to 3 centimeters. On the control system page, you can select your preferred language, adjust the power settings, and save your parameters for easy future use. This makes operation more convenient and efficient. The laser welding machine can weld materials of varying thicknesses, such as stainless steel, carbon steel, copper etc. It welds with beautiful seams, requiring no secondary processing.